Imagine this right now, as you're watching this video. The Earth is spinning at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, or over 1,000 miles per hour. At the equator, we don't feel it, because everything nay, the buildings, the oceans were all moving together at that same speed. But here's a mind-blowing question. What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? I'm not talking about gradually slowing down. I mean instant stop. Like pulling the emergency brake on a planet. First impact, everything flies forward. Just like slamming the brakes in a speeding car. Anything not nailed to the bedrock would be thrown forward. But this time, you're not going 60 miles an hour, you're going over 1,000. Humans, animals, trees, buildings. Even entire cities would be hurled eastward at deadly speeds. It would be like the whole world suddenly turning into one massive car crash. Second impact, global megatsunamis. The oceans. Oh, they're not sitting this out either. The momentum would send massive waves crashing toward the continents. 100-meter high tsunamis flooding coastlines all over the world. Cities vanish. Islands disappear. Coastal regions are erased. Third impact, atmospheric chaos. Here's the part most people forget. The atmosphere keeps moving. That means winds would whip across the planet at thousands of kilometers per hour. We're talking about hyperhurricanes tearing up forests, flattening cities, and stripping the very surface of the Earth. Structural shifts in Earth. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it bulges at the equator because of its rotation. If it stopped spinning, gravity would redistribute the oceans. Water would rush toward the poles, flooding northern continents like Canada, Russia, and Scandinavia. While areas near the equator like India, Brazil, and parts of Africa would dry up completely. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The sudden halt would unleash massive tectonic stress. Fault lines would snap. Mega-earthquakes would shake the continents. Dormant volcanoes might erupt in chains, sending ash clouds into the skies, blocking sunlight and triggering a volcanic winter. The end of day and night. Right now, we enjoy day and night every 24 hours thanks to Earth's spin. But if the planet stopped, one half would always face the sun stuck in permanent daylight, while the other half would be trapped in eternal night. One side scorches under constant heat. The other freezes into an icy wasteland. Plants would die. Ecosystems collapse. And with them, the food chain, the biosphere, life. Earth's magnetic field gone. Earth's spinning core generates a magnetic field that protects us from deadly solar radiation. If the planet stops spinning, the field weakens or disappears entirely. Without it, we'd be bombarded by cosmic rays and solar flares. Cancer rates skyrocket. Electronics fry. DNA mutates. Life on Earth? Pretty much doomed. Final thought and a question. Bottom line. If the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, you wouldn't survive long enough to understand what just happened. But here's a question for you. If you knew the Earth was going to stop spinning in 60 seconds, what would you do with your last minute? Let me know in the comments. That might be the most important minute of your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Share it with your curious friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed scenarios every week. I'm bringing you wild what-if questions with real science, real consequences, and mind-blowing possibilities.